welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I am using a palette from Sephora in collaboration with Moschino. And I am starting out with the shade Adore for my crease and just using a big blending brush for this. So the main color I'll be using is Deep Sea, and I'm going in with a more compact brush. And it is a blending brush, just a little bit more compact. And then kind of placing this shade all over my lid very carefully, but I'm avoiding the center of my lid because I'll be applying glitter here later. Honestly, with this palette, I didn't know what to expect, but I am so shocked how pigmented this palette is. These colors and just the textures are really amazing. Just before I apply the glitter and to give it more of a gradient effect, I'm going in with the shade Nightlife. And I'm applying this right on top of Deep Sea, but closer to the lid. Then I'm just going in with a clean blending brush and just blending it out in my crease line. So to give more of a smoky effect, I'm using the same blue and just going in with a little bit of black in the corner of my eye. And really packing the color in there. So there's two ways you can go with this eye makeup look. You can either use the shade Angel Wings for the center of your lids, and then you can stop right there and then go on to the next step with the eyeliner and everything. Or what I did was go back in and apply glitter right on top of this. Because you know I like to be extra and wanted to go all out. So I'm applying glitter base right on top of the Angel Wings shadow I applied. And then going in with NYX glitter right on top. So for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going in with MAC's highlighter in Soft Frost and just applying this in the inner corner of my eye. And then for my eyeliner, as always, I'm using Tarte's Clay Paint Liner in the color Black and applying my top liner. So for my lower lash line, I am using the same shade of blue and applying this right on my lower lash line. So before I apply any foundation, I'm going in with argan oil for my face and just rubbing this all over. Looks like I'm crying. And then for my foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty and using a big brush and blending it out. Contour, I'm using Tarte's Pro palette and using the shade Sculpt and starting from my ear to the corner of my lips, and then also applying this on against my jawline and then the side of my nose. So I don't know how to say his last name, but this blush by Kevin, it's my first time using it. I actually really love it, and I used a brush to apply it, although it was a creamy blush, and it blends in really well. I was actually amazed by this. And then for my highlighter, just going back in with Soft Frost and using a sand brush. For my mascara, I'm using my favorite Lash Domination. And for my lips, I'm using the free birthday gift I got from Tarte last year and Becca's Glitter Lip Gloss. And guys, that completes this look.